What's the meaning of bass? Bass. Bass.
Bass. Bass. Bass is a term used to describe different things in various contexts. One of the most common meanings of bass refers to the lowest range of musical notes or the instrument that produces those notes, such as a bass guitar or double bass. The word bass can also be used to describe a low-pitched sound or tone. In fishing, bass typically refers to a freshwater game fish that are prized for their sporting qualities and culinary value. Additionally, the term bass is often used in reference to the lower frequencies in sound systems or speakers, which play a vital role in producing rich and full-sounding music.